In our today tutorial, I want to show you how to create a shapefile from an existing shapefile. Now let's go into our ArcGIS map. Let's launch into our ArcGIS map. That is loading. Let's navigate to our selection where we are going to add our data. Let's add our data. In the course of this tutorial, I am using Nigeria ADM 1 and 2 shapefile. So you have added that. Let's untick the rest first. So we are working on NGA ADM1. Let's select the area of interest. Just select area of interest. For example, Taraba is my point of interest. Now let's go to attribute table. Right click. You right click on the ADM1. Go to attribute table to confirm the particular area of interest. Okay. Taraba State in Nigeria. So let's go back. We go back to right click. This time you are going to export data. You export the data. Then you go to further output. Choose, give the title of the name of your work, your shapefile. I call it Taraba Town. Taraba Town. I will save my work. Okay. Please like and subscribe. Let's untick. Let's allow it. Then arrange the weight. Okay. Let's untick the ADM1. Let's go to edit view. Now you are going to extract, create a shapefile on the cities in this Taraba state, the district. Now we choose location, select by location, we choose ADM2. Then we go to source layer feature. We apply. Then we go back to special selection method for target layer feature. Go back to source layer feature, select. You can now see that we have the area of cities have been highlighted. Now we have closed. We go back to ADM2. We go to export. Now you are going to choose a folder, the title of your folder. Let's call it Taraba Town District. Taraba Town District. You save. Okay. So let's untick the ADM2. Now we have created a shapefile from an existing shapefile. Let's drop our selection tools. Please do it to subscribe to this channel, like and share. Our next video will drop in a video. Our next video will be on land use, land cover, supervise. How you can calculate the percentage of your vegetation, build up area, buy land, and many more. Calculating on percentage and also representing them on pie chart. So do it to subscribe to this channel so that once I drop a video, you'll be the first to notify. Thank you for watching.